Here's the quickly story about the most dangerous bear on Earth. So, there was this hiker who ventured into the woods and suddenly, a massive grizzly bear appeared out of nowhere. The bear was like, "What's up?"
Before we continue, guys, can you like and subscribe? Also, comment and share. Thank you guys for watching.
"What's up, human? You into my house?" The hiker was like, sorry dude, wrong door, and slowly backed away. The bear was like, Nah, you're good, I'll just take a selfie with you real quick. Underscore chomps on hiker's leg underscore. Moral of the story, don't go into the woods with a Wi-Fi connection.